Go to right. Okay, pick up your speed, carry on now.
What happened? What did I do?
Okay, just carry on now for me for 1 minute.
What happened?
Now, you did make a similar mistake. What happened with the truck? I'm going to explain to you. So when we're turning right at the traffic light where the Darwin Vale is, how many lanes are turning right?
2.
Well done. Which lane were you? Were you on the left side or were you on the right side?
Right.
So now we know the 2 lanes are going right, correct? And you choose to go to the right lane, nothing wrong with that. So when you're gonna go right, would you stay in the right lane or you cut into the left lane?
Is that what I did?
That's what you did in Darwin Vale as well.
Right.
Now luckily, there were no cars behind. So what happened, as you turn right at Darwin Vale, you end up going left lane and then you come back on the right lane again. That's not acceptable because you're in the right lane, you should be staying on a right lane. Now at that time, because there was no hazard or danger, it's fine. But similar thing happened on that where the lorry was, because you choose to go, you know where the Empire Theatre is, you choose to go to the right lane. But then as you're going right, you start coming into the left lane, which belongs to the lorry.
Right.
Because he's already, look, so lorry is here, you're there. So as you're both going right, would the lorry expect you to come to his lane?
No.
So should we carry on the...
Yes.
So why you think he beeped now? Does it make sense?
No, it does. I just didn't know because it happened so fast. I just didn't.
So what do you think if I would not have intervened, what could have happened?
He could have gone into my side panel.
And you do know that because he's sitting high up and you are just here, do you think he knows you are there?
No. Okay.